what you need. Like I said before, well, I don't know if I'm gonna use that video, but I bought this piece from eBay. It's about 40 bucks, and it's real useful because this fits right in there, and you will need that. You can't use a regular press to press this bushing in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this right here. So just with a screwdriver, what you do is you pop this to the bottom, right, and you just keep going all the way around. Keep going all the way around, and that's it. Now that's out, I'm gonna come, put it in here, make sure that there's no rubber bubbles. Make sure, because you don't want anything to get pinched. So there you go, just like that. Now the only thing is that some of the rubber is getting caught up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this down, just so it doesn't get stuck there. Now be careful, there's grease in here for the bushing, so let's be careful with that, alright? But all this goes right back up easy, so you don't have to worry about it. So use it like that. So bring this through, pop it to the side, make sure it's nice and even. So if you guys can see, some of it went in already. It's just nice and even. So now that's like that. You're gonna grab the socket, you're gonna put it in. Bring this out a little bit. Put this in. Make the socket go in. And then just keep screwing it until it touches. Once it's touching, make sure it's nice and even. That is gonna go in nice and even. And then use a 22mm socket. Impact drill, if you got one, you're gonna need one because it doesn't go in by hammer, that's for sure. That's it. Make sure it's all the way in. Bring this little bushing back up. The rubber piece, make sure it's all the way up. Now it's all the way up. We're gonna put this one back in. So remember, the same way you took it out, you're gonna start with one side. You're gonna bring it up. Make sure it stays there, and then just go all the way around. Bring it up. All the way around. Be careful with the rubber. The whole point of putting a new bushing is you want the rubber to be intact. So make sure you're careful with that. Be patient. It's gonna go on. So another thing you could do is you could push this down, which will make this open up a little bit more. You know, like I said, just keep going all the way around until it closes it nice. Make sure this is in place, because this comes off too sometimes. And that's it. As you can see, it's all the way in, it's flushed. The seals are good. And that's how you put the new bushing into the controller. And just do the same process to the other one. So before I forget, I picked this up also for Harbor Freight for like 10 bucks. And there is interchangeable little head pieces you could take off And you see, you press it in, flip it, take it out, and you can put different ones on. I'm gonna use this one right here. So this is my first time using this tool, but it looks pretty simple. So this piece goes like this, goes like this, and it flips like that. All right. So the bushings came with this little bag right here. So this little bag has a quarter pin and whatnot in there. So the quarter pin is for the crown nut when you get to it, but it comes with this little safety thing right here. So now basically this goes around the groove. There's a little groove in here. So put it in like this, grab it, open it up, this one on the top right here. So when I squeeze it, it opens it up. It opens it up, see? So put the little teeth through it. Just squeeze tight. Giving me that much flexibility. Alright. So basically you gotta put it in through those. Alright, so let's try this again. Not letting me really open it as wide as I want to. Let's open it wider so it can fit. It has to go all the way on the top. See if the other ones are any different. I doubt it though. They all look pretty similar. Maybe. Let's give it a try. I like Harbor Freight because most of their stuff is lifetime warranty, or you could buy warranties for like $5 for 3 years. So I recommend it. If you guys are not spending too much money and getting parts all the time, go to Harbor Freight. Now, it's not there yet. That up there for safety, so this doesn't push back on. You don't want that pushing back on while you're driving. So Alright, so I can't find another tool that will help me with that, so I got these. So we are about to experiment. So basically I'm gonna just hook one side and hook the other side and just open as much as possible. Damn, this is hard. This is hard, guys. It requires a lot of strength to do this. Try to get one side up there. Alright, made it past the rubbers. Metal pieces. Getting in the way. Always getting in the way. Let's see if I can just... Alright. Got one side in. Now so you guys can see what's going on. I got that one metal piece in the way. So I'm gonna try to get that out the way. Yeah, so this is a pain in the ass a little bit, but I'm gonna try to rotate it. Try to spin it around, you know, so that piece will come on. There we go. So now it's on. Alright, so basically try to get one side in and then go all the way around to get the rest in. So be careful with this rubber piece, you don't want to damage it, you know. And that's it. If I forget, I'll tell you guys about that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it here real quick and grease it up. I'll put the hub in.